All right, guys. Good evening, everyone. Day 14 on the executive analysis challenge, and I'm just going to run through. I'm going to run through GBPUSD. Just going to analyze GBPUSD top-down analysis. Now, let's start with the 3 months. The 3 months, first of all, you can see that we are super bearish right here. Yeah, we're just going down, down, down. All right, and then price now formed. I'll call this a double bottom, 1, 2. So a potential reversal. However, on the previous candle, we see this bearish engulfing price spikes down. This is due to the coronavirus. And then quickly comes back up and rejects this level, which shows that there's bullish momentum coming forward. Now, on the next 3 months, they are closing more or less like an indecision candle. Price has no decision has been made. So wait till this candle still closes. If we can finally find a way to maybe come back up here, which is strong bullish momentum, this can actually tell us that okay, price is actually looking for a way to boom, go back up to the upside, as the case may be. All right, on the monthly, basically we can still see the same thing. You can see price making higher highs, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs. You can call this a potential lower low. Maybe price can decide to come up here, make a high at some point, give us a lower high, maybe come down for a lower low, as the case may be. However, if we don't get this, if we come down here, maybe get another rejection from here, from the 1.1950 some support level, get a good rejection, then maybe we can potentially see pound going back up to 1.3200, as the case may be. So let's see. Adding this trend line, right? This is where we are currently. Can we add this trend line to? I would just say we're just a bit shy of that level. Okay, I didn't join them well. They didn't actually meet. Mind this is just to get an overall bias now of where we might potentially head to coming months. All right, that's that about it. So 1, 2, maybe we come back up for a third touch, come back down again. They'll just have to break out in either direction, whichever direction we break out. That's it for the price. If we break down here, then maybe we can fall down to as low as 1.00 if we do break down below. So, uh, coming up to the weekly time frame, So weekly, we can see we're in a smooth, beautiful, bullish, bearish trend. Price comes, makes a high, although this is okay, this would be a higher high respect to this, but then thumbs down makes a low, then slowly reverses back up. Last week candle, we see this crazy ass shooting star, and this completes our 1, 2, 3 evening star 3-pin pattern, which signifies that this price is actually going to dump down low. So we might see price come back down to 1.1950 on pound, 1.1950, which is almost 400 pips, which is a good trade. This is just screaming sells for us. So this is a good signal. Coming weeks now, we're going to be looking out for sell setups, maybe to go down back and see how it plays out. On a daily, we can now actually hold this after this level, hold this level 1.20, after 1.20, 1.1950. But final target 1.1950. That's my bias, that's my call. Another confluence, we see our daily candle, our daily trend line has been broken, our counter trend line has been broken. Can we see a retest on the daily time frame? Who knows? Or maybe we can just see price dump down from here and just keep on melting. It just depends on price and what he wants to do. All right. So daily strong bearish engulfing candle, strong Maribozu, sorry, not bearish engulfing, Maribozu candlestick with a very strong close of Friday, as it rejected its trend line, breakout, small retest, and boom, close down back. Also, we can see that what else can we see on the daily chart? What else can we see on the daily? Okay, we see this potential target at daily level is 1.2080, 1.20, 1.2100. That's a potential target for us. Our price can tap here and come back up again. So now on the 4 hour, we see this level right here where price is currently dangling. This is the 1.2350 level. 1.2350 price is just currently there. And then let's see whether we can join this line. 1.2230. This could be a potential target for us. 1.2240 there, right there. A very nice target for us. So we see breakouts of this trend line, retest, switch retest, shooting star, boom, price dumped, just melts down. This is actually a good trade. So we can see all these our buyers so far has been really good for us, as the case may be. Moving on, what can we see again? Okay, you see this breaches, boom, melts down back again. All right, so currently we have a 4 hour level right here. Can price come back up to test it? Maybe this level, just a minor intraday level. We might expect price to pull up back here, give us a retest, then dump down back again. Hopefully, as the case be, as always. So that's it on my GBPUSD. I'm super bearish on GU, super bearish. However, I was expecting price to maybe break below this level, 1.234. A clear breakout. This is not just a breakout yet. Maybe we need a clear, precise, strong, bearish breakout of this level, then a retest. Then we can now start selling this to the downside. So I'll check back on this pair later in the week. On the 50 minutes, we can see, okay, we might potentially call this a reversal pattern. 50 minutes falling wedge after a downtrend. Maybe we can see pullback. Maybe, still not certain about that. Or maybe we can see pullback up here to this level. Gives us a double top here, or maybe up here, then start selling it again. Or price can just keep on melting. Whichever one plays out, we are going to be ready for it. So for a pullback, we have to see a break above this 15-minute structural level right here. Once price breaks above it, a retest, then we can now start buying short term up here. However, if price doesn't break above it, still stays like this, then we can actually see price maybe fall down back, break this level, come up for a retest again, and then just sink to our next target, 1.22380. So let's see how this plays out in the coming week. Thank you very much for staying around. All right.